from Swiss Precision Manufacturing. I'm the CEO and owner. We're a chop shop. We do anything from medical to satellite parts, laser, most of the cutting-edge technologies. We're using Lyndex-Nikken Capto C6 shrink fit holders, ER collet holders, MMC holders, and some static turning tool holders. We're really happy with the performance of the tools and the runouts and the quality of the tools. We heard about Lyndex-Nikken through a friend that had a similar machine, and he had the same challenges to tool up a mill turn with Capto C6 holders and chucks, and so it was really helpful that he was happy with the tooling. Our machine tool dealer helped us to find Lyndex-Nikken, and it looks like it turned out to be the right choice to go with. So Lyndex, the engineering department, was super helpful, and the communication was instantly, and we came up with really the solution that was needed, including extending out the sub-spindle chuck in order to get more clearances for the mill turn B-axis. So Lyndex-Nikken, the engineering department, really helped us out laying out the solid CAD models on a virtual machine, and that's really important because if that's not right, chucks will go back and forth, and things get really costly, and the timeline will be really extended. So it's crucial that the engineering department can lay out models. They can send them to you. You can put them on your virtual twin and start simulating the kinematics. And if anything is off, you can always go back to him and say, hey, we need to extend something more or less to make things work. So that worked out flawlessly.